Today we're going to be making homemade liquid laundry detergent. You'll need 16 cups of water, a cup of borax laundry booster, 1 cup of Arm & Hammer super washing soda, and a cup of Castile soap, and optional essential oils. You'll add 6 cups of boiling water, and I wouldn't put them in a glass container to put it into because the glass will crack. You need to add your cup of borax and then your cup of Arm & Hammer washing soda. And you'll take some kind of spoon and you'll mix this together. And with the boiling water, it should take just a little bit to dissolve the mixture. And then you pour in your cup of Castile soap, and then you'll take your spoon and mix that together and just give it a good mix just to make sure that the grittiness in the bottom of the bowl, and remember, don't put it in a glass container because the hot water will make it crack. So make sure you're mixing it, mixing, and then you add your 8 cups of cold water, and you'll take your spoon and you'll mix that again. And again, just make sure the grittiness is gone. And then at this time, you can add your skin-safe essential oils. And I used lavender and vanilla because I just like those fragrances, but it can just be the ones of your choice. I'm taking a container at this time, and it's recyclable. And I put my mixture from my bowl into my plastic container, and I just give it a good shake. I just shake it all around, and then after a little while, I put it into my glass jar to use, and that just seems to work better for me. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.